Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? I'm here with my daughter today, and I've set up this account as a custodian account so she can trade on ETrade. Now we're gonna set her up with her first stock, and we're gonna do it together. So I'm here with her. All right. So first we're gonna go to trade. We've already pre-screened the stocks, and we've determined what we're gonna buy. So we want to buy Dividend Investing. We're going to buy some Coke. So we're going to buy 1 share of Coke. We're going to buy it at the market. We're going to buy good for a day. Okay, we're going to preview. Error. Hold on. Order type? Buy? We had buy. Oh, we're in the wrong account. Okay, now we're in the right account. All right. So now we just click buy, preview. We're going to buy 1 share of Coke. There's no commission. And this will be building dividends for the rest of her life, as long as she doesn't sell it. You just say place order. Order's been placed. Sounds like it was filled already. So let's go back to the portfolio and view. We got 1 share of Coca-Cola. Congratulations! You are now the proud owner of 1 share of Coke. Do you have anything to say? No. Okay, there we go. All right, guys.
Wait, I do have one thing to say.
Go! Run! This is live! We're on the air!
Subscribe to Mr. Beast.
Okay, I have to edit that out. All right, guys. Anyway, I'll do some more about posting and showing my daughter how to invest. Stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe for more wealth building techniques. And thanks for watching.